Good morning. Bird migration is a field of active research and explorations. If you follow the sudden migration of the birds, that they inform that there is something unnatural phenomenon is going to happen. The many factors influence that, such as search for food, escaping to favorable weather, reducing their exposure to predators, and even avoiding natural disaster. They undertake long journeys, traversing landscapes and oceans in this astonishing natural phenomenon. Some of the common migratory birds are the great snipe, godwits, Arctic tern, Siberian cranes, and greater flamingos, among others. Best wishes.